Okay, and I've put a tea bag under the microscope because I heard that tea bags contain plastic. I couldn't believe it, so I just thought that I will use a tea bag just to look under the microscope. So I go first for the lowest magnification and see what is there. So that's a piece of tea leaf, and what you can see as the strands going left and right, they're quite stiff. They don't look like the paper. They don't look like cellulose, and they're kind of like a armored concrete. They have this kind of strength-giving quality, those strands you see there. So let me put a piece of tissue and see how that looks. Paper tissue. So we are looking at the paper tissue on the left and the tea bag on the right. First of all, you notice that the tea bag is more porous. You don't see many of the strand of the material in the, you see a few but not a lot in the tissue. But in the tea bag you see a lot of that. And the kind of break at the surface in these two strands you see here, and I'll bring this to center, you can see it. To the right of the center, there's a tiny strand. I try to bring it to focus. That looks as if it has a sharp break, like what a plastic should be. Is the points, they're pointed actually. They're quite sharp. To the left, you see a strand in this side, doesn't look that sharp. And to the right, you see that's a strand, quite has a pointed. And near the right of the center, at the center of the right, they're quite sharp. I wonder, is it that plastic strands, nylon or something? It's a kind of polymer material. We know cellulose is a polymer also, but that can be a different kind of polymer. Synthetic. I need really a chemical test on this if I could, but so far my suspicion is a little bit looks more probable that the tea bags have plastic in them, in the actual bag. Always thought that it's just paper. Okay, those of you who know me, you know that I'm a gardener. And we compost a lot of things, including tea bags. And I was always surprised, after 2-3 years being in a compost, tea bags, the actual bag of it, never decomposes. Never rots, never becomes a, compost. And I was surprised. The tea of it, okay, is a plant material, but the tea bag of it, which should be also cellulose and plant material, never goes compost. Do the tea bag contains plastic? Is an open question. Susan, you have bought this package for me. What is it?
Now.
I have to open it?
Yes, we need something to open it, so.
Okay, I've cut this now. Susan, you tell me now, what is this?
Well, actually, it's something I brought to you and me.
What are they?
You know,
Seeds?
yes. No, they're not seeds. It's tea.
Oh!
I've got double mint for myself, and I've got your favourite green tea.
Oh, lovely.
And why I brought this is because when they say it's organic, it is organic.
And you remember I made a video about the tea bags having the plastic in there.
Plastic in them.
We
They
did
don't-
investigate under the microscope.
They do not break down in compass.
But these ones are paper.
These ones are paper. First with the plastic ones is that you do get toxins in them now.
Oh God, when they're
probably
heated
not
up.
at a high level, but
But they gradually build up.
they are bioaccumulators. But the other problem is that as well is that the tea would taste plasticky,
Oh.
like the same thing as if you drank out of a plastic cup. So if you ever had good quality tea, we brought good quality tea, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Expensive tea, but it was still plastic in the tea bag. So we found out that clipper was just paper. So we got some, oh my goodness, it was like a mixture there.
Yeah, when I looked at the paper, toilet paper under microscope, I didn't see any plastic in it. But I saw in the tissues that we use for, nose,
Yeah, you get it in the
facial tissues.
Anything
There were
that-
plastic in there. And that's the reason they said don't drop them in the toilet, because they don't dissolve.
No, you don't drop them, drop some of the tissues in the toilet because they're stronger.
Oh my
Not
God.
just paper.
It's enough for 6 months, I think, or
I
more.
think there's lots of it here. Yes, look at that. Beautiful.
Lovely, darling. Yeah, pure organic tea.
So we'll see. I've got mint and fennel. I like mint tea. I've got peppermint.
The problem is that you cannot find these things. Most of them mint one is not in the shops.
My mint ones.
So you have to buy it from some
There's a few mint
specialist.
teas there, different types, and lemon. And we both like lemon tea.
Oh, yeah.
So that'll be nice. That's which one's that? These ones are
Mint.
yeah, that one's
Organic white tea. This is just the
Oh.
best of the tea.
I
Just
heard that.
imported directly from China.
and so we've got so this
That's
is
the
organic.
actual buds and the tips,
Peppermint.
young leaves of the tea.
Yeah, so we have going to enjoy weeks and weeks of the
Lovely quality tea.
favourite tea. Yeah.
Let me just take a picture of this. Oh, it's lovely. Thank you, darling.